Welcome to my
Beach
YouTube
Craze.
channel where I do a bunch of stuff. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a 10-inch LED ring light that I bought from Amazon. For context, before I start the video, I'm here to tell you now I'm not a pro with lighting. This review isn't for super tech people that understand tech things. I don't know if light is considered tech. Let's just call this gadget review. I don't actually have a name for this segment yet, but look, the type of content that I'm going to be creating or that I do create is I do a lot of podcasting, vocal recording for rap, and for vlogging, just vlogging. I want to get the best type of picture to make it easy for you guys to see. So what I'm reviewing today, guys, is a 10-inch LED ring light with tripod stand. It's by K&F Concept. Now, the original ring light that I was about to upgrade to was a newer dimmable 18-inch ring light. As you can see here, they go for about 60 to 70 pounds. But I figured for my use or what I need it for, it's probably not going to be applicable. I don't really think a massive 18-inch ring light in this tiny studio that I have would be practical because it's already getting pretty cramped in here. So I've decided to go with the 10-inch. I don't know if it's going to be good. I'm going to be looking at the build quality, few little things that I think that'll help me. And also I'm going to give you guys a bit of a test with different camera equipment, how the light works. Okay, let's go. So here's the box from Amazon. Yeah. Damn, this is hard. All right, here it is. Boom. That's a nice box. Oh, shit. I like the finishing. I don't really care about the box, but it is a nice looking box. It does make it look a bit more quality. Sometimes when equipment comes in a cardboard box that's brown, it kind of cheapens it. Makes me unsure, and I do that a lot. So anyway, I'm going to open this right now. All right, y'all. You ready? Okay, there's the flap. Here it is. Okay, so it comes with a phone clip, which is pretty cool. By the way, I'm going to put all the links to all these things that I'm reviewing down below, so do check it out. Here's the clip, fairly standard. Can screw it onto any type of stand, so that's pretty awesome. It's pretty well built, not gonna lie. Next is this. The first ring light that I got is a pretty crappy stand, very cheap quality, and it comes with this little iPhone holder. I kind of just chucked this into a box because I didn't want to see it. It was so flimsy and ugh. But this definitely looks a lot more quality. I can feel it already. Look at that. Okay, so here is the clip. A big part of why I wanted to get this was I wanted to attach my camera in the middle of the ring light. So for example, here, and put my camera in the middle, because right now, how I've got it set up, I've got this camera on its own stand and the other ring light on another stand because the circle's too small for me to put the camera in that one. But this one will definitely have enough room to fit. And also it's got a bit more of a better control system, if you can see that there. These knobs will turn the lights on and off and also change the temperature, whereas I'm a bit limited with this ring light that I have now, and I'm going to quickly show you guys what I mean by that. It changes the warmth of the light. It's got a little control here that can, set the brightness and all that. But other than that, it's a bit more, I don't know how to explain it. It's not good. Okay, so I'm going to put this together and then we're going to see what it looks like very soon, okay? Yeah. All right, so let the setup begin. All right, so I won't actually be using this. It's a bit too short, but it is a really dope stand. Here's the knob thing that'll connect to the camera, I presume. Yes, it is. And I assume I get it now. So you slip it into this little notch. There's a little notch in there where you put the square part. Once that's in, you can secure it. I thought it was just going to be left like that, so that was a bit worrying, but that's fine, and that's perfect. See, this is what I wanted. Instead of having two separate stands, I made sure I wanted to get something that I could connect the camera on. I'm using an RX 100 just in case you were curious. I'm just name dropping brands, y'all. So the good thing about this, there's no actual control. I told you guys about this this particular ring light. It had this massive cord with a control to dim the lights, which is cool. It's like it's no biggie, but I'm a bit nitpicky like that. I do prefer that this has knobs on the back, so it'll be less cluttered. And sometimes I don't really want to have more wires than I already do. This one comes with I think it's a fairly standard USB cable. So the good thing about this is if this is too long, I got a million spares. Okay, it's pretty long. That's freaking huge. But at least I have the option to change the wire up or just take it off so it's a bit neater. So for when you pack it up, it's not going to have this massive wire dangling everywhere. That's just me being OCD. It's no big deal, but yeah, that's just preference. It's up to you. So that goes into here. Perfect. Another thing I really like about this is this was definitely a game changer for me. This camera, obviously, if you're using a tiny SLR or even an iPhone, so if you connect that phone clip and put your phone in the middle, you'd most likely have another massive wire coming out charging your phone. This actually has a USB slot right in here. And I'm going to connect it now, actually, just to get the most out of it. When the wire charge goes into the USB, I assume it charges everything, the light and your device in the middle. So that's pretty cool, right? Bang, see that? It's connected. A lot more neater. Okay, so now I'm going to connect it to this tripod. I had the other ring light that I was using there first. Does it not connect? Technical difficulties. I'm just failing at connecting this. All right. Hey. Okay. Woo. That was close. Okay, so my notch thing here for the stand leaves very little space for me to plug that wire, but it just fit. That would have been like a time to send it back to Amazon, but nope, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna plug it in, test the light so you can see it first, and I'll put in the background, test it with the different cameras. Okay, so it's plugged in, I believe. See? It's charging. The camera's charging through here. Through there. Look at that. So much better already. Let's hope the light's actually good. Let there be lights. Ooh, wrong knob. Let there be lights. What the hell? There's an on switch. Okay. On and off. There's an on and off switch in the middle. I thought it was just like a knob. Anyway, let's put them all down to 0 just to be sure. All right. Take 3. Let there be lights. Okay. That was dumb. You have to hold the button for 3 seconds. I almost freaked out there. Whoa, that's bright, yo. I can see it on the camera right now. So this is how you control the warmth, I guess. The where I'm looking at it, the left knob controls that, and the right knob controls the brightness. Wow! Wow! That's bright as hell, yo. That's bright as hell. Let's turn on my camera real quick so you can just let me see it. I'm gonna see if. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. All right, so I'm gonna turn this camera around. Let you guys decide for yourself. See what you think. I just realized I wasn't recording on 1080p, but now it is. This is on highest quality on my Logitech C920 webcam that I'll be using for streaming. It looks great. It looks really good. The only thing that's a bit annoying now is that little control that I was paying out earlier. It was kind of handy that I could just test it, like press the button and see myself, you know, with the light, which light's better. Now I have to keep going around and turning the knobs and flicking it. But I think once I find my optimum light setting, all will be good. Let me just go back. All right, now this is with a bit more of a warmer light. How was that? Okay, one second. And now with maximum brightness. All right, so now I'm gonna flip it over to the RX 100, which is in the middle of the light. It is a bit on a higher. It's higher now because of the tripod, but I'm gonna stand up so you get the more full face frontal view. I'm gonna keep it on this setting and then dim it and change the warmth and all that crap, and we can go from there. Yo yo yo! This stand sucks. It looks pretty good, I think. At least this way I can play with the knobs now since I'm a bit closer to it. That's the warmth. Okay. Cool, that's cool. So you can really play around with it, but overall, I don't know what's the best setting. Okay, it's quite bright. I think I am very happy with this. This is good. So initially with my research and wormhole around YouTube, I was delving on either getting some soft boxes, which are the big, massive blimp looking ones that float above you, also LED lights that I sometimes see in music videos, or this ring light. But then I was a bit put off because I thought they were mainly for makeup, beauty, all that kind of stuff. But I've always been a fan of that effect with the rings in the eyes, and I know that's quite popular in the beauty channels on YouTube. But I have seen some other YouTubers, some other creatives that use this for their videos, and it works well. Like just accentuates the beauty. But my main reason for picking this was definitely the portability of this light. I don't have much space to work with. I only have this one space to do everything in. So when I edit, when I film, when I eat, when I'm just hanging around, it's all here. So getting massive soft boxes would have been a bit overkill for me. LEDs was very close, but in order for me to really get something a bit more quality, I think it would have been a bit out of my budget. And this is fine, you know, definitely worth the extra £10 rather than getting just the cheapest one on the website. So there you have it. If you guys thought that was helpful, please show your support and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing these a bit more as I build up my studio to start creating more content. If you like this kind of content, want me to keep going, happy to do so. And yeah, see you guys next week.
The claw!
Guess I'll be returning this to Amazon.